Welcome to our easy guide on hardship loans for 2025. Let's explore what these loans are and how they can help you navigate financial challenges. Many people seek hardship loans due to unexpected circumstances like job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent home repairs. To qualify for a hardship loan, lenders typically look for criteria such as your credit score, income stability, and overall financial situation. Applying for a hardship loan usually involves a few simple steps. Let's break it down together. Make sure to gather essential documents like proof of income, identification, and any existing debt information. In 2025, you may encounter various types of hardship loans, including personal loans, credit lines, and specialized government loans. To enhance your chances of approval, focus on improving your credit score, maintaining a stable income, and presenting a clear reason for your loan need. Before proceeding, consider the risks such as high interest rates and the impact on your credit if you struggle to repay. If a hardship loan doesn't seem right for you, explore alternatives like payment plans, community assistance, or financial counseling. Navigating financial hardships can be daunting, but with the right information and planning, you can make informed decisions for your future.